That's yours. You're so good. Gentlemen, receive these Bibles and know that they are the true and only aids to navigate the souls in your charge, the harbor of peace in this life, and to the shores of heaven in the life to come. Amen. You can see flying from the handrail of the Captain Duffy the flag of the United States Merchant Marine, which is today presented to the two boats. The Mississippi, Ohio, and Missouri River system, the lower reach of which is right behind me, is the third largest drainage basin in the world, only behind the Amazon and the Congo, neither of which flow from or through as much arable farmland or mineral producing country. This waterway is the lifeblood of the United States, and none of us could enjoy the lifestyles which we do without the work of the men and women out there 24/7, 365 on the other side of the levee, which we can often not see, doing the work that makes our lifestyles possible. And we honor them today by presenting to these two towboats the flag of the United States Merchant Marine. And also to Miss Diane Duffy, we would like to present a duplicate of the Bible that will be carried aboard the motor vessel Captain Duffy, as well as another copy of the presentation of the flag to the vessel. Thank you for your support, you and your family supporting Captain Duffy all these years as he was out there working to make our lives possible. God bless you and have a long life. All right. Amen.